good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedge Nee with a brief update for Ethereum. Despite the alternate count that I provided yesterday for potential for an inverted head and shoulders, the primary count remains unchanged. We have, I believe, visually speaking, an A, B, C. Look at the three wave-ish swing type. Without any of the labels, what can you see? This is a three wave-ish swing. Now, some may say this is a 5-wave swing. Yes, okay. There is a potential for that. But what is the most obvious is a 3-wave swing. And that is supported by the fact that it's making an upward wedge pattern. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subwaves for blue A. Look at this beautiful 1, 2, 3, or rather, I'm sorry, A, B, C swing for the blue B. And we're probably getting an ending diagonal of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the blue C. Now, what is an ending diagonal? Ending diagonals usually occur at wave C's and 5 of an impulse, C of a correction. And the ending diagonal is a bit of a hybrid between an impulse and a corrective swing. The impulse attribute can be shown by the way it is labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, just like an impulse. However, the 4 and 1 are allowed to be overlapped. This overlap is quite often mistaken by newbies as a violation of the Elliott wave rule. But in a diagonal, either leading or ending diagonal, that is allowed. The corrective component has it so that the subwaves of each 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is a 3-wave swing. There are occasions on a leading diagonal which can have 5, 3, 5 swing. And that is not as common as the 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. However, even with the 5, 3, 5, 3, 5 swing, the 4 and 1 still overlaps. So having said that, visually it looks like an ABC. Pattern-wise, looks to be an upward pointing wedge, which is not bullish. And as soon as this wave 5 enters this zone of resistance, and maybe it might even do a bit of an overshoot, which is quite common for wedges. And it may overshoot into the 200 region, but very briefly, and then start declining. So again, keep a very close eye on this wedge. Anything above the 167s, 170s, I'd start taking good profits, especially if you, like I was, came in this region. I hope you found this to be helpful. Have a great day.